So today I'll be showing you how to delete your Gemini activity log. So this is a log of all activities across all apps using Gemini. So this is very simple. Just launch the Gemini app and then tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. And from the menu, select Gemini Apps Activity. So this opens up a Google page that is logging all your activities of Gemini on any app. Okay, so now if you scroll, you can see the specific activities, and you can delete individual entries by simply selecting the X button and then confirming delete. And you can go and select specific activities that you want to delete. Okay, so for instance, I want to delete this particular prompt. I can tap on it to delete, and it's gonna delete. And I can delete this one as well, and it's gonna delete. So that's basically how to delete individual entries. But if you want, you can tap on this delete button, and then you can choose to delete activity in the last hour, the last day, or all time. Now, if you want to delete all your activity, you can just come here and tap on that and then confirm you want to delete. Now, this is going to delete everything. Once you tap on delete, that's gonna delete all your activity. So that's how you delete your activity log on Gemini. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.